You searched how to buy shares of ATOSS Software AG, and this short video will walk through the practical steps to buy AOF.de. ATOSS is a German company that builds workforce management and time tracking software, listed on Xetra under the ticker AOF.de. This guide is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AOF.de, then select the matching ATOSS Software AG listing to open the asset page. Ensure you pick the entry that shows Xetra and the AOF.de ticker. On the asset page, review the company description and the price chart to confirm this is the correct ATOSS Software AG share. Check that the exchange is Xetra and that the ticker shown is AOF.de before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your ATOSS position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform.